Hello, I'm Kevin Payne, Operations Director for Tex Plastics Barnstable. Been with the company for 18 years, progressed from planning manager. The benefits of Intouch in Tex Barnstable is everything's at your fingertips. It's all visual, it's live, it's real time, it's monitoring production every minute of the day, 24 hours a day. We are able to, with the Intouch system, look at quality on a minute-by-minute basis, picking up any defects through the operator, understanding the issues with the tooling, reporting back to the customer of any issues with their tools. Intouch enables us to review our reports, ensuring the tool is running at correct cycle time, the costed cycle time, the reject rate percentage, whereas before we never had access to this kind of data.
Hi, my name's Dan Herbert. Been at Tex 18 years, so I'm the production planner. Use Intouch daily, entering orders, working with the production plan that the whole site works to. I find Intouch very easy to use. Intouch benefits me hugely with it being a live system. Everyone's going to the same plan. You can see it, it's all at the touch of your fingertips. Intouch enables me to preload our unique TPP numbers onto the system, which then allows me to generate a work to list that I can share in the morning production meetings. Before Intouch was implemented, we were using a T-card system, which was slow, not very accurate, easy to make mistakes, where now everything's visible, everyone's working to the same plan, it's all available at your fingertips, and we all have the same data.
Intouch has enabled us to reduce the daily production sheets, so we're now paperless throughout the business. The Intouch system has enabled us to review our downtime, our scrap monitoring, which has been an added value to the company, fast track setters to issues, and enabled us to track our tooling deficiencies.